In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find pocket option settings. Whether you're on the web platform or the mobile app, the process is simple once you know where to look. We'll start from the moment you sign in and finish with the key profile options you can adjust for a smoother trading experience. First, sign into your Pocket Option account using the official website or the latest version of the mobile app. After logging in, you'll land on the main trading screen. This is the workspace with your live chart front and center, plus pairs, timeframes, and action buttons nearby. Take a second to let the interface load completely so all menus appear. A stable connection helps the settings open quickly and save correctly. Now, to reach your profile-related settings like language, notifications, your avatar, or hiding your profile, look toward the upper right corner of the interface. You're looking for your avatar or a small user icon. It may show your initials, a generic silhouette, or a small profile photo. On some phones, this icon sits in the top bar. If your screen is compact, you might need to scroll slightly or rotate the device to landscape to see it clearly. Click or tap that avatar to open the Profile or Settings menu. This expands into a compact panel where your personal options are grouped. From here, you can switch the platform language if you prefer a different interface text. After choosing a new language, give the page a moment to refresh so labels update everywhere. You can manage notifications by toggling what you want to be alerted about, such as platform updates or push reminders. Adjust these so you only receive messages that are useful for your routine. You can change your avatar to keep your profile recognizable by uploading a clear, square image. Pick something that's easy to spot at small sizes. And if you prefer more privacy, use the Hide Profile option to limit your visibility within the platform's social features. As you make changes, confirm or save when prompted. If you don't see the avatar icon, maximize your browser window, clear any overlapping panels, or update the app to the latest version. Avoid adjusting settings in the middle of an active trade so you're not distracted from price movement. That's it. You've learned exactly where to find pocket option settings and how to customize the essentials quickly and safely.